Hey guys, I hope all of you are doing good. So I wanted to come in today and share with each and every one of you about how I like to finish up my skincare routine by using an oil. So today I'm going to use this Teami Repair Tea Infused oil right here to finish up my skincare routine. I really like this oil. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I love it because it has chamomile in it and it has tea in it and it's really soothing to the skin and it's great, and it's just a great oil to use to finish off your skincare. And I know a lot of people get a little crazy and they say, no, I do not want to put oil on my face because it will cause more oil production, but actually it doesn't. It helps balance the skin, and I'm going to show you guys how I like to use it, and it really has helped me with my regimen, adding an oil to the end of my skincare regimen. My skin feels so much better. It looks great. It has this nice, beautiful glow to it as well, and that's something I really like. And I've actually seen less oil. So ever since I started adding oil in my skincare regimen, facial oils to my skincare regimen, it has worked so much, and I'm going to show you how cute it is and what it looks like. So y'all, check this out. This oil is so amazing. It actually has chamomile leaves in it, as you can see right here, and it's infused with tea as well, like I stated before. And it is just so good for the skin, and I'm getting ready to put it on my skin right now and show you guys how I use it. And yeah, it's just really nice. Like, I really love the chamomile flowers in it. I think it's so good. It's also vegan and cruelty free, and it doesn't have like all those gross ingredients in it like some skincare products, so you don't have to worry about your skin just going crazy. And I'm really serious about things like that because my skin can be a little sensitive at times, and certain ingredients will inflame my skin, and this product doesn't do that. So let me show you how I like to apply it to my face. So I'm going to take this oil right here, and I'm just going to take a few drops. You do not need much. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to do about 5 drops, and you just rub it in your hand to warm it up. And it's really light, and it has a very light scent to it, so you guys don't have to worry about that. And I just like to pat it in my skin like so, just like this. You do not have to just rub it all over. All you do is just pat it in, and your skin will absorb this oil, and it's just great. And you just do little small pats. I like to go on around the forehead area in my T-zone. And I like to go around my neck and chest area as well. And it feels so good on the skin. It is so soothing. It's actually really nice. So as you guys can see, my skin looks very refreshed, but it is not greasy at all. Like, look at this. It's really soft. I do not have oily skin. I do not like oily skin. I love that this Teami Repair oil absorbs in the skin very nicely, very fast, and it gives you a nice glow. You can use it in the morning and at night. That's the way I like to use it, and it's one of the last steps to my skincare routine, and it's just amazing. And it helps with any type of inflammation that I may have, and it just gives me a nice, beautiful glow from within. So yeah. This is the Teami Repair Oil. I just wanted to come in and share that with you guys and do a quick little skincare video and show you how I use oil, because I do get a lot of questions about what I'm using on my skin, and I know a lot of people get afraid of oil. Don't be afraid of skincare oils. They're great. It really does help balance your skin. And yeah, this has really great ingredients, all natural ingredients. It's vegan and it's cruelty free, because you need to make sure you're putting good things on your skin. So yeah. That's about it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.